Oh my god, this is like literally a gold dress. That's probably a bajillion dollars. Window shopping at its finest. Alright, so we're getting ready to go to the Gold Souk today. Apparently it's the largest market for gold in the entire world. I know, Dubai is extra. I feel like it's owned by a little kid that's like, hey, I want the biggest things in the entire world. Like the architect is like, sir, how big do you want this building? And he was like, yes. Anyway, so I thought while I'm getting ready, I can share some tips and tricks with you guys on how to do your makeup when you're in Dubai. Tip number 1, don't put any on because it's just gonna melt anyways when you go outside. Except we're gonna put some waterproof mascara on because we don't want to be that ugly. And we're ready to go. If you're super worried about your ugliness, then just put some shades on and cover it up. But first, coffee. No, the other way. Black like this. So I got kicked out of the bookstore because I'm drinking coffee. Literally, like, they just have the weirdest rules here in terms of drinking. Like, you're not allowed to go in the metro with food or drinks. You're not allowed to go in any stores with food or drinks. Like, they don't want food or drinks anywhere. I'm not gonna spill it. I'm not Alex. This is not okay. Why isn't the escalator working? So I'm gonna climb this 50-foot.
Hashtag white girl problems. Hashtag first world problems.
Shut up, Alex. We have to climb this before we go out into 40 degrees. Just get a little sweat before you go outside to sweat. Yes. Gold.
With the what?
Alex is obsessed with gemstone rings. I like diamonds. So much gold. 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 Diamonds. Alright. Now there's spinning gold jaguars. How extra is this gold market?
Unreal.
Oh my god, this is like literally a gold dress. That's probably a bajillion dollars. Window shopping at its finest. Okay, so since no gold is actually in our price range because we're poor as shit, we went to the silver store and I got myself a nice blangin' ring. Silver's just as good, right? We've now entered the Herb.
How are you?
We stopped for gelato. How's it taste?
Incredible. It's like I just skinned a mango and just put it in my mouth. It's so much better than Toronto gelato. Unreal.
I feel like the only thing that's better here than back home is gelato. Do you agree?
There's so many things that are better here than back home.
Like what?
The mall, the entirety of the mall.
I guess.
The waterfall, the ski rink,
We
the
have
scuba diving.
we have a million ski rinks now.
Yeah, we don't live in a desert. The equivalent of like us having what they have here would be like in like Yorkdale having like falconry.
Look at that beauty. Look at that sexy man. Alright, so we came back from the souk last night and just passed right out because we were like super tired. The heat like makes you so exhausted, it's ridiculous. So I just wanted to show you guys some things I got at the spice market. So we got 2 things of Moroccan tea, like they're different, I don't know, flavors, but they smell so amazing. Like I wish you could smell it. Like it's the best tea I've ever smelled in my life. Also he gave us this, like he was just like giving us stuff for free after we just bought some tea. I don't know, like I guess we became friends. So this is actually like a flower. What did he say it was?
Jasmine.
Jasmine. So you put it in the tea and it actually like blooms. So he gave us this to try out. Like that is so cool. And this, okay, it looks like crystals, but it's actually like the pure form of peppermint. Like you open this and smell it and your sinuses just like instantly clear up. It's amazing. So I got some of this because I have really bad seasonal allergies and like sometimes I can't breathe and stuff. And I take like massive amounts of allergy medicine. So you know, maybe this will help my nose if I sniff it once in a while. All right, so that's all I have for you guys today. Bye.